Good afternoon, viewers. I am Shirish Dongre, publisher and director of Machine Tool World. We are here with us Mr. RAMAKANT Reddy, managing director LMT Tools. Thank you, sir, for your time. What has been displayed here in the IMTEX 2023?
Thanks for giving this opportunity to talk about our product lines. Basically, we are showcasing the products required for the gear cutting industry, the products required for the milling and tapping industry, products required for the advanced tooling to machine the engine components. These are the mainly three products we are displaying in this our
Can we
exhibition.
have a round and tell me what are the products?
So I will show you here. These are our new innovation products so that I can start from the gear cutting segment. So this is a product called as a gear scavenging cutter. This we have uh, launched in 2022, and this is a very high end product which will run at very high cutting parameters, so the customers can get the benefit of the cycle time reduction drastically. So this product we launched in Germany 2022, and this year we are launching in India after this EMO. So this is our new innovation product, and the second innovation in the milling, solid carbide milling. So these are the car blue. This is again for the high productivity with the L by D ratio. Means if the diameter is 3 millimeters, so we can go the depth of cut up to 5 times. So L by D ratio is up to 5 times we can go. So this is a very unique product, and for the high productivity. And this is another multi-edge T90 Pro product that is also for the your shoulder milling, and this is also with the 4 cutting edges and 8 cutting edges. This is also for the roughing purpose. It's a high-end product. And this is the last product which we have launched this year. This is for the thread rolling attachment. This we call as a UO line. UO line means it's a evolution. So this is a new evolution, and this is a 3D printed. It's a industry 4.0. In past we used to make this attachment at the various components. It was a tedious, and now this is a very compact and it's a very rigid design. So with this, customers can reduce their cycle time drastically, and they can go for the higher cutting parameter and higher tool life. So these are our innovations which we are displaying in our exhibition.
Uh, what are the target audience for this product and how the target industries, the end user industry gets benefit by using LMT Tools product?
Yeah. The target audience is mainly from the manufacturing industries, and you can say the automotive, mold and die, aerospace. These are our target audience, and we will be showcasing our high category, high end products for this audience.
What are the emerging trends which you observe currently in the industry and how LMT tool is in line with that emergency trend?
So emerging trends like industry 4.0. So everyone is looking for the better tools, and we are also not behind the 4.0. So this is a products which we are doing the 3D printing, and also we are coming with this different substrate in the solid carbide as well as the coatings, which can give the higher tool life, which customers is looking for, reduce their cost per part, and and also to work at the higher parameters and to reduce your cycle time. That is the need of today's to reduce the machining times. So our tagline is also exactly yours. So we work for exactly for the customers.
Lastly, how do you perceive the future of machine tool industry?
Machine tool industry is growing. This EV transmission is coming, so there are fear that there is a demand will be reducing, because in the electrical vehicles you have the less components in engine component, but we are sure that in the EV also you have the aluminum component. For that also, that there are a lot of demands are there, so we don't see a big problem in future also for reducing the uh, market for the cutting tools. So it will be there.
So thank you very much, Reddy sir, for being with us, and it's a wonderful insight knowing the new range of products from LMT Tools. We wish all the best for this show. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much. It was my pleasure. Thank you.